Yeah, so I'm still here at the room because I am booked for a late checkout. Yeah, actually, the hamsters requested for late checkout, so I'll be here until 3. So while waiting for that time, I would like to unbox what she gave me, and also Sissy Norma gave me something, but later on I'm going to unbox them. But first, let's unbox what Mrs. Hamsters gave to us. So first she gave me a shirt with the hamsters on it. See? You see that one? The hamsters. So that's the first that she gave to me, and then before she left today, she gave me this. What's inside? Ta-da! A cap. Why is it pink? I love pink. So thank you, Mrs. Hamsters. That's from Hawaii. And a bar of chocolate, sticker with Hawaii written on it, and another shirt. Look at the color. How does she know that I love this color? So yeah, it has Hawaii on it there, and what more? Oh, this one is a cloth. We call it a sarong. If you go to the beach, you wrap it around your waist. If you're wearing a swimsuit or not, you can wrap it around your waist. So this is my favorite color. How did you know? It's my favorite color, blue. Okay, so we call it sarong in the Philippines. Sarong. It's a cloth that you wrap around your body. And I've got French magnets, still from Hawaii, of course. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Chocolate with macadamia nuts. She reminded me of my tita, actually. And she also has a sister in Hawaii. I mean, my tita. She looks exactly like the hamsters. She talks like the hamsters. I told her that, so I'm glad I was reminded of my tita. So thank you so much for the stuffs. That one, additional to the chocolates that I have, and kitchen cloth and pots, no, pot holder, sorry. And I think there's a kitchen towel as well. So thank you so much, the hamsters. Finally, we were able to meet. I really took time to meet her because the last time she was here, I wasn't able to meet up with her because I was so busy with work. And now that I'm almost done with the stuff that I was doing, I am doing. I'm done with the other degree that I took, and then a special class during the weekend, so I'm done with that. I just need the certification, and I don't have any reason not to come to Manila, fly to Manila to meet the amazing, the hamsters. So how you see her on TV is how she is in person. That's what I said. What you see is what you get, and yeah, Gemite said, you seeing the real deal. So the hamsters, thank you so much for the time, for all these 2 days, and thank you for the friendship. We just met on YouTube, but finally we're able to meet in person. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And this one is Sissy Norma's videos, but later I will unbox it in a separate video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, the hamsters.